Yeah, hello my friends and hams, here is Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo, and I made this clip about my activities on FT8, and I'm active on 40 meters. I am, some people asking me to make a clip about the FT8 activities with my power amp from Italy, the Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus, in working with FT8 and the output power, and I show here the output power what going out there. Okay, hope you enjoy my video, and here you on the bands. Here is Papa Alpha 5 Hotel Romeo. So here we see the power amp Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus, and are working here in Fox Tango 8 mode. I am asking for, and yeah, here you see the output power from the output meter from the power amp. It shows you almost 300 watts. Yeah. And here you see the program, the software, what I'm using for Fox Tango 8. This is my monitor here. Yeah, here is my output meter from my antenna tuner with a very good SWR. Yeah, you can see almost 300 watts, a little bit more, but it goes to the 300 watts output. Yes. Here's the output meter from the power amp. Again, you will see almost the same 300 watts. Yes. The power amp shows in the beginning a little bit more power, but it's a little bit going return down to the 300 watts. You will see that sometimes here on the power meter. Yes, now you can see that, but it's almost 300 watts going out there. Here the input power, you can see the input power is almost 10 watts. With an SWR between the transmitter and the power amp, you can see 1.0809. And here again, the output power from the power amp, almost 300 watts, a little bit more in the beginning, but yeah, almost 300 watts going out there. With the input power you have seen 10 watts, almost 10 watts. And here again 300, a little bit more, 300 watts. I'm using here a vertical antenna, a quarter wave homemade vertical, and it's working very fine. You have seen a very good SWR. The power amp needs a very good SWR, otherwise it will not good working. Here the transceiver, the FTDX 101 mic Papa. Yeah, you can see 10 watts and the SWR between the power amp and the transmitter. Here again, yes, 350 watts, but it's going a little bit down to 300 watts output. Here's the display, the temperature and the band where I'm working on. And here again the power meter from the power amp. Here again the outgoing power to the vertical quarter wave for 40 meters. I'm now active on 40 meters now. I work some station with this power here. There's the output meter from the power amp again. And you will see almost the same all the time. The power amp works very fine. I have no problems with that. And here you can see all components, the input power and the output power. Yes, here we see 10 watt input and almost 350 watt output. The amp is working very well. So, this was a clip about my activities on 40 meters with Fox Tango 8, and I work with my power amp from Italy, the Bravo Lima Alpha 350 Plus. And yeah, I hope you have enough information about this amp, and some people have asking me to make this clip. So I wish you 73 and hope to meet you on the bands. Bye bye.